Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Cookie Monster cake. I got this idea also from our baking fails video, and that was that Cookie Monster cake is actually relatively simple, but there are just a few things you got to get right. So I hope that we get them right today. So let's get started. I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with blue vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. Then I had a bit of black and white buttercream in piping bags with round piping tips, and I piped round eyes at the top. I smoothed the buttercream with a spatula and made the eyes more round as well. Then I piped some pupils offset so he's looking in 2 directions. Then I piped a large mouth with black. And I had blue buttercream in this piping bag with a grass tip. And I covered the cake with a fur texture using the grass tip. This is just a simple squeeze and release all over the cake. The fur should come right up to the eyes and the mouth. There shouldn't be any big gaps. And it wouldn't be Cookie Monster without cookies. These are some homemade chocolate chip cookies, and you want to at least break each cookie in half, some in even smaller pieces. And I filled the mouth with them, adding a few crumbs for good measure. I think this cake is adorable. If I could start over, I would make the eyes a bit bigger, but otherwise I'm really happy with this cake. I think it turned out adorable and really isn't terribly complicated. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Support us on Patreon and subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.